All right, in this problem, we're looking at which of the following quadratics here has no solutions. And the way we're going to figure this out is something based off something called the discriminant. So b squared minus 4ac. Now this is under the square root in the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this part here is the discriminant. Now, if this part is less than 0, then you're taking the square root of a number that is less than 0, and therefore you are getting the square root of a negative number, which is an imaginary number, so you'll have no real solutions, you'll have complex solutions. So we want to look through each of these and figure out which one of these has a negative discriminant, and that will have no real solutions. Okay? So let's just get rid of that. All right. So let's identify A, B, and C for each of these. So A is the number in front of x squared. It's a coefficient, they call it. Coefficient in front of x squared. So in these first two, there's no number written. That means the coefficient is 1. So A equals 1, A equals 1. In these, this one, A equals 2. And in this one, A equals 3. Now B is the number, the coefficient in front of x. So in this one, it's negative 5. Second one, it's also negative 5. Get ahead of myself. Third one, it's negative 10. And then the fourth one, it's positive 14. Now C is the constant, the number by itself. So the first one, C is 6. Second one, C is 9. Third one, C is 12. And the fourth one here, C is 5. Okay, so now we've got each of those. So now we can figure out the discriminant. So let's work on A. So we're going to do b squared minus 4ac. So negative 5 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 6. Well, negative 5 squared is negative 5 times negative 5, that's positive 25. And then 4 times 1 times 6 is 24, so 25 minus 24, so that's positive 1. So A has real solutions. Second one, we're going to do the discriminant again, b squared minus 4ac. So b is the same, negative 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9. Okay. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25, and 4 times 1 times 9 is 36. So 25 minus 36 is negative 9. Now, if I were taking the SAT, I would select B here as the one that has no real solution and move on. But in terms of just calculating discriminants, I'll go through C and D as well. So C, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So negative 10 squared minus 4 times 2 times 12. Okay. Negative 10 times negative 10 is positive 100. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 12 is 96. So we have 100 minus 96, so our discriminant is 4. So that one does have real solutions. And then finally D. Do b squared minus 4ac again. So it's going to be 14 squared minus 4 times 3 times 5. Just do 14 times 14. So you get 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And then we have 14 here, so we get 196. So this is 196 minus 4 times 3 is 12, times 5 is 60. So our discriminant is 136, so we again have real solutions. So as we can see here, B is the one with the negative discriminant, therefore it has no real solutions, and that's our solution to this problem.